What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 956 Flips. If you watched my previous video, you saw that I purchased a bunch of 3DS games that were non-working. Unfortunately, the Pokemon games, none of them have worked so far. But I figured out a new method and not having to open them up and clean them out. So, let me show you what I did. Here's this sticker Mario. This one didn't work, and I used this new method to clean it. You can see, let me try focusing here. There you go. It has not been opened. See? On the ones that I've done before, you can tell it's been opened, tampered with. So they'll look so much better without having to open them up. So this is what we're gonna do. You still need your alcohol. All right. I use Brasso for cleaning. Now here's the kicker. This is what I use now. Instead of opening them up, this is how we're gonna fix them. So I went to the dollar store and I bought a wire brush set. Reason I bought the wire brush set was to fix the terminals on my vehicle. It comes with 3 different ones. Here's the empty packaging. Wire set. Driver's choice. So like I said, this was from a dollar store. It came with 3 different ones, and then I noticed this one. It's abrasive, but it's not gonna destroy the cartridge. So I went ahead and this is what I did on fixing that one. But let's see. This Pokemon looks pretty nasty, and there's a lot of corrosion. Now, let's see if it picks it up. I haven't tested this Pokemon game yet, but I'm assuming it's not gonna work. So we'll try something else then. It's probably going to be one of those other ones that, like the other ones, will freeze up. Oh wow, this one works fine. Okay. I'll just give it a cleaning. Let's grab another game. This will work. Alright, let's see. I know the Mario Land, I think, was pretty filthy. Mario Land. Alright. Let's see. Mario Land. Let's see, come on, load up to the menu here. Just waiting for it to load. Okay, Mario Land didn't work. Let's try our new fix. Hopefully it's one of those where it just needs a good cleaning and it's gonna work. So you can see it's a Mario Land. Now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna open up the Brasso. And you can see the Brasso. You're gonna kind of squeeze the Brasso until it comes up. And with your brush, you're going to grab a little bit. Alright, so you see I've got the Brasso on there. I was doing this not on the table, but we're just going to do it here. You guys can see what I'm doing. I'm usually a little more aggressive. I'm better cleaning it with I grab the brush and go sideways. I was cleaning it off to the side, not on the counter. I wanted to get Brasso everywhere. So yeah, we're just giving it a good, I guess you could say, like a bath, a scrub, really good scrub. We're gonna get our alcohol. I have some in a little squirt bottle. All right, we're gonna squirt some on there. Just clean off your brush with whatever you've got, and then we're just gonna do that sideways. Make sure those contacts get nice and clean. Alright. Let's see if it'll focus. Come on, phone, focus. Let me get it to focus. For whatever reason, it doesn't want to focus. Oh, there it goes. Look, the pins look so much better. So, from here, guys, I'm not cheating. That's the Mario game, and hopefully it should boot up. Yeah, check it out, guys. Awesome. So that's going to be the new way of fixing the games that are not picking up. There you go. We've got our Super Mario 3D Land up and running. We'll do this on another game, just to show you guys this is not a one-trick pony. Let's go ahead and, I don't even know what that is. Okay. But there it is. Okay. Let's grab another game right now and test to see if any of them load. There was a Smash Brothers game. We got Smash. Those contacts look good, so this one might not be a good candidate, but let's try it anyways. Alright, so you can see there, you can hear it click. Smash Brothers is not being picked up. Oh wait, I saw it. Bad contacts. So let's go ahead and clean this one also. We'll do the exact same thing we did with the Mario 3D Land. So we're gonna do, we'll get our Brasso, like I told you guys earlier. Get a little bit on there. That's a little bit too much, but whatever. We're gonna scrub this game. Try to get that on all the contacts. Kind of like brushing your teeth. And what's good about this is you don't need to open the cartridge up and have to super glue it or get a replacement. Alright, that looks pretty good. Let's get some alcohol. It's a little too much, but alright, get something to dry it off with. I use my shirt. It's still really wet. And one of the contacts didn't come out that great. You can see right there. That looks pretty bad. Let's give it another scrubbing. Well, we'll test it and see how it goes, but to me that contact, the third one from the right, looks, and the one on the very right looks pretty bad. So, but we'll try it. Maybe it'll pick it up now that it's got a little bit more of a little bit easier or cleaner area to read those contacts. So, and there's that it's Smash Brothers, the same one we were using. Yeah. Oh, it picked it up. Let's take it out. Let's try it again. Yeah, it's picking it up perfectly fine. I can go ahead and clean it again, make sure those contacts come out real nice and clean. But this fixes the cartridges, guys, when it's not working. So, oh, this might be one of those bad cards. I had a Pokemon game do the exact same thing. It's gonna give that error. No, it's not gonna be repairable, no matter what. If anybody knows how to repair that issue where the game picks up and then it says game cannot be read, let me know. I have 2 Pokemon games that are doing that, and now a Smash Brothers game. Alright, yeah, there's still a lot of gunk in there, so I'm gonna clean it out again. Let's do that. Let's clean this sucker one more time. Got some Brasso here on top. Alright, let's give it a really... I'm gonna do this off to the side here because I'm gonna put a lot of pressure on it. I don't know if you guys can hear, but I'm giving that cartridge a good scrub down. Now I did this to the Pokemon game too, but that one didn't work at all, so who knows. I know this fixes those cartridges and most of them have a lot of gunk, grime in them, and you saw I fixed that Mario 3D Land. Not everything is going to be fixable. Like I said, I don't know what causes that game cannot be read issue. If anybody knows, please comment below. I'd really like to get these fixed and going. So, all right, this is the same Smash Brothers. Let's see if we can focus on those pins. See, now the pins are great. All right, let's see if it still gives us the same issue. Yeah, this is just one that's not going to be repairable, guys. All right, let's put this one to the side. It's no good. Let's grab another one. I've never even heard of this. Is this a real game? Mario? Is that Mario Party? Those pins are disgusting. Come on, focus. Focus. Maybe we can have that. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Pretty sure that's not going to work. Yeah, there's nothing on the screen. Let's try giving it a cleaning also. Guys, if this is not a real game, let me know down below too. I have no clue. Let me grab some. Oh, that's way too much Brasso. I'm gonna be aggressive with this one too. I'm gonna put it to the side down here. You guys can hear me cleaning that up. Okay, let's spray it down with some alcohol. Oops, got a little bit too much there. Luckily I got some napkins somewhere. Yeah, let's clean that. Oops, sorry guys. Alright, anyways, here's that same crazy game. Cleaning off my brush. And now we're just gonna scrub with the alcohol now. The pens are still pretty dirty. Much better than they were before. Let's see. Well, check that out. It's Mario Party the Top 100. Is that a real game? I guess so. I like Mario Party. I like the old school Mario Parties. Whoever was playing was named Robert. Minigame Island, minigames, minigame match. Let's see, 100 minigames. Let's be Mario. Sure. Let's just see if it goes to the gameplay. Should. Okay. So there you go, guys. Alright, we're ending this video on a positive note. We've got the games that were not working to work. Alright guys, appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Hey, if you're not subscribed, please consider doing so. I go to pawn shops, flea markets, thrift stores, garage sales, pretty much anywhere I can go to pick up merchandise to flip or to add to my collection. I also do repairs, as you guys see. Sometimes, some videos I like sharing my knowledge with you guys so you guys can get your stuff rolling. Alright guys, catch you next time.